In today's video, I want to guide you on how to properly remove your flash drive from your PC. A lot of users make a simple mistake by just pulling out their flash drive from their PC, and this will cause your device to corrupt. Now here is my flash drive. Let me click on this PC. You have it as my USB drive. You can rename it, and here is my flash drive. So I want to remove this flash drive from my PC. If you just pull out this flash drive from your PC, it's going to corrupt your device. So there's a proper way to do that. Right click on this flash drive, then click on this eject button. Once you click on the eject button, then you see that it brings out this color, removing the pattern like this one. They tell you that this drive is safe to remove. So you can now pull out this drive from your PC socket, and that's all, guys. You've been able to properly eject your flash drive from your PC without damaging your flash drive. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.